Hi everybody, welcome to Make It Monday. We're celebrating RPL's 2020 Comic Con this year, all virtually. And to kick it off and to celebrate this month, we are going to make Avengers Infinity Gauntlet Slime. And for those of you that love our Slime Saturdays, this program is just for you. So what do we need for this slime recipe? We need glue, we need water, we need baking soda, we need contact lens solution, yellow food dye, we need measuring cups, and a measuring spoon, and something to mix it all up with. So to get started, we need 4 ounces of glue, and I'm gonna pour it right into here. I'm actually gonna mix it all here too. So just pour it right in, just like this. And I've almost got it. There we go. All right, this is 4 ounces of glue. In a separate measuring cup, we are going to put in here 1/2 cup of water, just like this. And we are going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. So we're gonna add about this much. And you're just gonna stir it. Help dissolve this baking soda. Okay? It should look like this. All right, once that's dissolved, you're going to add this right into your glue mixture. Okay? And then we're gonna stir this all together. And this is gonna take just a little bit to make sure that we have all the glue, the baking soda, and the water incorporated. And when we're all finished, it should look like this. All right, now this is the step where we are going to add yellow food dye. And you can really make it to however bright you want it to. So I'm just gonna add, let's start with 2 drops and let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, what do you think? This looks pretty good. If you want it brighter, add another drop. If you don't want it this bright, add less. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now we all know that when we make slime, we need an activator. And this is where you were going to add contact lens solution. And this recipe said that it only needed 2 tablespoons, but I played with it ahead of time and realized you need 3 in order for it to activate. But if you're making this at home, you all know that you should add less to start and then put in more if you need to. So I am gonna start with 2 on this batch. And let's see what happens. It should start to, if you can see it, it's starting to slime. But I can already tell you are going to need to add that 3rd, you're gonna need to add that 3rd tablespoon in order for it to not make a huge mess all over your house. But again, when you're making this at home, less is more to start. All right, this looks much better. Okay, so once it looks about like this, this is where you can have some fun with it. You can add some sparkles, you can add some glitter, you can add some gems, and that will really make it gauntlet slime if you add the gems to it. All right, I'm gonna just add some sparkles to it, some sequins. I'm gonna add it right in just like that. And then just mix it. All right, this is the fun part. You're gonna take it out and you're gonna start kneading it. And remember, It's always really slimy in the beginning. You just need to knead it in order to get it the consistency. I know when you come in and do this for Saturdays, there's so many of you that are like, ew, that's so gross. But this is actually the best part of baking slime, is getting to play with it. All right, I'm going to continue to play with this for a few more minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to let you know that we are going to be giving all the materials away in our Go Packs the week of October 19th. So you will get everything to make Infinity Gauntlet Slime at home. You'll get the glue, the baking powder, the solution, gems, and some really cool things to make it sparkly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you make this at home, I would love for you to share it with me on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with another Comic-Con themed Make It Monday, so stay tuned. I hope everybody has a great week, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.